Struggle. Yeah. Today's another day. Waking up in the struggle. Wonder what am I gonna eat? My stomach to my back, wondering how I'm gonna survive. Today's another day. Waking up in the struggle. Wonder what am I gonna eat? My stomach to my back, wondering how I'm gonna survive. The ceiling got a leak and the floor is feeling cold. I'm tired of being brave, I'm tired of being bold. I step out on the pavement, checking pockets for a dime, while the shadow on the sidewalk is just stealing all my time. I see the world moving, everybody's got a place, but I'm just a ghost with a weary, hollow face, trying to keep my dignity while I'm looking for a scrap. Getting caught inside the rhythm of this daily poverty trap. Is it a test of my faith or a glitch in the design? I'm waiting for a signal, I'm waiting for a sign. They say the best things in life are supposed to be free, but even the air feels like it's costing me a fee. I'm more than this hunger, I'm more than this lack, but it's hard to see the sun with the wind at my back. So I tighten up my belt and I harden up my stare, finding strength in the middle of a burden I can't bear. I won't let the hollow feeling be the ending of my story. There's gotta be a path leading out to something more than worry. I'ma find a way to hustle, I'ma find a way to climb, one foot in front of the other, just 1 second at a time. Surviving ain't a choice when you're backed against the wall. I'ma stand up 10 times every time I have to fall. Waking up in the struggle, still wondering what I'm gonna eat, but I'm still here. Yeah. Yeah. I'm still here. Yeah. Jealous. I see the sideways glances, I hear the whisper talk, but I don't slow my pace, I don't stumble when I walk. You're looking at the finish line, forgetting where I started. While you were busy hating, I was staying lion-hearted. See, the way you're built is the way that I'm designed. I got a hunger in my gut and a focus in my mind. If you're waiting for my downfall, you're gonna have a way. I don't leave my life to luck and I don't leave it up to fate, 'cause the way you bleed is the same way I care. I'm cut from the cloth of a hard-working man. The way you hustle, yeah, I'm doing it too. The way you're sweating through the night, I'm right there with you. I put my pants on 1 foot at a time, just the same. So if you're drowning in your jealousy, I ain't the one to blame. And though it feeling bitter, let the bridges that you burn be the lessons that you never took the time to learn. If you're jealous, baby, you can kick rock. While you looking at my plate when you got your own to fill, I was grinding in the valley while you was sitting on the hill. Everything I'm holding, I earned it with my hands. I built this from the dirt, I didn't find it in the sands. We're both human, both breathing, both chasing down the sun, but you worry about my race before yours has even begun. Comparison is poison and it's filling up your cup, but looking down on me won't ever pull your spirit up, 'cause the way you bleed is the same way I can. I'm cut from the cloth of a hard-working man. The way you hustle, yeah, I'm doing it too. The way you're sweating through the night, I'm right there with you. I put my pants on 1 foot at a time, just the same. So if you're drowning in your jealousy, I ain't the one to blame. And do you feeling bitter, let the bridges that you burn be the lessons that you never took the time to learn. If you're jealous, baby, you can kick rocks. You can hate the shine, or you can find your own light. You can spend your energy trying to dim what's bright, but the mirror doesn't lie and the clock is ticking fast. Jealousy is a weight that's always gonna make you last, yeah. Kick 'em down the road, 1 foot at a time. I'm still moving. Keep your eyes on yours, I'll keep mine on mine. Rocks! I don't look left, I don't look right, I just look at the goal. While you digging up a ditch, I'm out here digging for gold. You see the crown I'm wearing, but you never saw the thorns. You wasn't there for the storms, you just here to blow the horns. But your noise don't move me, your energy is spent on a life you could've had if you knew what grinding meant. I'm a mirror to your ego, showing everything you lack. So you try to throw your shadows at the target on my back, but blood is red and sweat is salt. We're made of the same clay, the only difference is the work I put in every day. Yeah, we're identical in essence, we're equal in the soul, but I took the steering wheel while you lost all control. Cause the way you bleed is the same way I can. I'm cut from the cloth of a hard-working man. The way you hustle, yeah, I'm doing it too. The way you're sweating through the night, I'm right there with you. I put my pants on 1 foot at a time, just the same. So if you're drowning in your jealousy, I ain't the one to blame. If you swilling bitter, let the bridges that you burn be the lessons that you never took the time to learn. If you're jealous, baby, you can kick rock. If you spend half the time on you that you spend watching me, you wouldn't be so blind to your own destiny. I ain't a lucky man, I'm just a man who didn't quit. I took the hand that I was dealt and made a win of it. So keep your head down, keep your eyes on the floor. Cause as long as you are hating, I'm just gonna give you more to talk about, more to see, more to envy in the end. But I'd rather have an enemy than a jealous-hearted friend. Yeah, tie your laces tight. It's a long road ahead when you're walking in spite. 1 foot, then the other. Keep kicking those rocks. I'm out of your sight. What you want? What is worth? What you want? What is worth? Woke up every day tryna find something to eat. I work so much I don't really work to me. I've been working a 9 to 5 without no benefits. If I lose a day, it's because I fell asleep. My boss wake me saying it's gonna find me. I said, hold on, wait a second, you not paying me by the minute. Let me contact my attorney, this gonna be a misunderstanding. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I said check the contract, check the hours on the law. You treat me like a gear, but I ain't just another cog. You want my sweat and blood for a minimum wage while I'm writing my own story. You just stuck on 1 page. Yeah. I'm working through the hunger, I'm working through the pain, but I won't let a corporate suit drain the marrow from my brain. Call it HR, call the board, call whoever you want. I know the labor laws, this ain't a battle you wanna front. My worth isn't a number that you print on a slip. It's the power in my spirit and the firmness of my grip. The mirror check. What you want? Is it the time you give? What is what? Is it the life you live? If the bank is full but the soul is empty, that's a debt. If the boss is rich but your kids are hungry, that's a threat. I'm worth the overtime, I'm worth the peace of mind, I'm worth the legacy that I'm leaving far behind. Calculate the risk, calculate the cost. The only thing that's worthless is the time that you lost. No more 9 to 5 where they don't know my middle name. I'm switching up the hustle, I'm quitting that little game. I took the fire me and turned it into fire in my chest. Now I'm the CEO of my own peace and my own rest. I realized my value wasn't tied to your clock. I'm the key to the lock, I'm a smith to the lock. So keep your benefits, that don't cover the stress. I'm chasing real wealth, nothing more, nothing less. I wake up for the money, but I stand for the respect. And my worth is a price tag that you can't even collect. Wake up every day, gotta go get the money. My hustle won't quit, that's something you can't get from me. Wake up every day, gotta go get the money. My hustle won't quit, that's something you can't get from me. What you worth?
check the balance, check the soul. Misunderstanding. Now I finally understand. Money, power, respect, I'm worth it all. They talking behind my back. They talking behind my back. I used to let the whispers get inside of my head, counting every bit of word that all the critics said. I was walking on eggshells trying not to trip, while they were waiting in the shadows for my foot to slip. But the noise started fading as I climbed a bit higher. Turns out the view is better when you're fueling the fire. They can judge from the sidewalk while I'm running the street. I'm too busy making moves to ever admit defeat. They're talking behind my back, yeah, they staying in the rear, while I'm looking in the mirror, watching everything get clear. If they're speaking on my name, then I'm winning at the game. Funny how they hate the spark, but they're begging for the flame. Now my circle's getting smaller and my vision's getting wide. I don't need a cheering section just to feel some pride. It's a lonely road to travel when you're chasing down a dream, but I'd rather be a king than just a member of the team. They record every stumble, they ignore every win, then they knock up on my door asking where you been. Keep that same energy, keep that distance in the back, cause I'm light years ahead and I'm never looking back. They're talking behind my back, yeah, they staying in the rear, while I'm looking in the mirror, watching everything get clear. If they're speaking on my name, then I'm winning at the game. Funny how they hate the spark, but they're begging for the flame. Yeah, yeah, the flame's getting hot now, reaching for the sky. It's squinting in the shadows, wondering how I fly. Go ahead and keep talking, keep the rumors on brew. While you're focused on me, I forgot about you. They're talking behind my back, yeah, they staying in the rear, while I'm looking in the mirror, watching everything get clear. If they're speaking on my name, then I'm winning at the game. Funny how they hate the spark, but they're begging for